Hello guys, this is my Polaris 4GB GPUs, and as you can see they are not working. That's because the profit was so low a month ago and I turned them off. But now the things has changed. Look at the Ethereum Classics price. It is $25.4, 15% up for the last 24 hours. Five days ago the price was $14 and now it's over 25. This is 8% up for 5 days, which is insane, and the profit now is good enough to turn these rigs on. This is 574GB and this is 584GB. The next rigs are 8GB, so they were mining the whole time. So the profit on Ethereum Classic now is very close to the Ethereum's profit. So if your rigs are not running, just turn them on. 4GB rigs are now on profit. Okay guys, that was my quick update video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more mining videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.